I don't really know the perfect words for this, but I know I miss you. And that feels important enough to say, baby, ndakusua ndanzwa nekukufunga kwa uriko Cooltsira ndakusua inindiri kukufunga. Oh, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, ndanzwa nekukufunga. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, ndanzwa nekukufunga. I miss the way you call me Baba Tanaka. Otidadi ndakusuai iwe unoita life very simple when you're around. Now that you're the fast, we know this is really down. Mwana we kwa Cooltsira hana mufaro asuai wewe. Just be safe kwa urikoko eno unodiwa. Berati chasangana ne mufaro pachafiwa. Handi na mufaro ne distance wakabiwa. So I write the song making you know ndakusua. Baby, ndakusua danza nekukufunga kwa uriko Cooltsira ndakusua indiri kukufunga. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, ndanzwa nekukufunga. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, ndanzwa nekukufunga. I miss our conversations, the way time used to move faster when we talked. The comfort of knowing you were just there. I miss the ease, the laughs, even the silences. Mostly, I miss you the way you make things feel a little lighter just by existing. Ndakusua danza nekukufunga kwa uriko Cooltsira ndakusua indiri kukufunga. Oh, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, ndanzwa nekukufunga. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, ndanzwa nekukufunga. I hope you're okay. I hope you're smiling more than you're not. And I hope, somehow, you can feel that you're missed deeply and honestly.